when you understand how a sound is supposed to be enunciated, it becomes very easy for you to link it to the different words that the sound is a part of, and for you to enunciate that word correctly. Open your mouth and enunciate it. Say e. Right? You notice how the sound or the aspiration that you make when you're trying to pronounce that sound, it gets interrupted by the articulator, and that's how the sound comes across. But a consonant sound.
Way, slay, and way. The other way.
Okay. So now when you're giving me these examples, Tanishka, try to stress on the vowel sound. Say way.
Way, slay, and way.
Do you see how different you sound when you stress on the vowel sound?
Yeah.
It changes the way you sound. Yeah.
I'm used to saying it the normal way, so it just comes that way whenever I'm reading or maybe pronouncing it.
Absolutely, and that's exactly what all of our concern is when we are, sitting in this training right now. Tip. Tip.
Tip.
We don't say tip, we say tip.
Tip.
Tip. Okay?
Tip.
Tip. K.
K.
Hey, I'm Anish and I'm the recruiter from Fresh Prince. Is this a good time to talk?
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, that's great. How are you? How was your day?
Well, I'm good.
The more we practice, the easier it will be to implement, to make sure that what we are learning is constantly being implemented by you, and you're training your brain to make it into a habit. You need to practice.